The Story of Azazeel. There was an angel. His name was Azazeel, also known as Iblis. He used to pray a lot and even used to give lectures to the angels. One day, there was a notice in the heavens which said that someone was going to be ordered out of the heavens. All the angels were very worried because they thought it might be one of them. They went to the angel Gabriel, who was one of the most important angels, to ask him whether he could do anything. Gabriel said he too was worried because it might be himself. Jibreel suggested that they go to Azazeel because he was very clever. Azazeel told them not to worry at all, for he would pray to Allah for all of them. He forgot himself thinking he was the best, and it could never be him. He had too much pride. Allah made the first human being, Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. He asked all the angels, including Azazeel, to bow down to Prophet Adam, peace be upon him. Azazeel disobeyed Allah and refused to bow down, saying that he was better than Prophet Adam, peace be upon him, and so he would not bow down. I am made out of fire, and he is made out of earth, he told Allah. You see, he was only looking at the outside and not the inside, and more importantly, he disobeyed Allah and was ordered out of heaven.